Hello guys, welcome to Mexc Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I want to share an important update with you guys. If you know you participated in Vertus mining, please pay attention to this video. At the end of this video, you'll be able to withdraw your Vertus airdrop allocation without much troubles. Okay guys, before we start, please, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified on our next video. When you launch your Vertus mining bot, this dashboard will appear to show you total balance, which has to do with money. You can see the dollar sign there is 0 to show you your Vertus balance and your mining storage. Okay, so you click on your Vertus balance, it will show you the total balance of Vertus you have been able to mine throughout the mining period, the available tokens, the withdrawal tokens. Now, our Vertus developer has made an announcement that they are not releasing 100% of the token that were mined, that they are going to release about 65%, while 35% will be released uh, during the next airdrop, which they have not announced the actual date. Okay, and secondary, there are some factors that are going to affect the airdrop allocation and the calculation, that the amount you are seeing on your available tokens or withdrawal tokens is not the final amount. That is after the final snapshot that you know the actual amount. So this balance you are seeing on your screen is subjected to change. So don't panic if the amount you are seeing does not correspond with what you are expecting or the percentage you are expecting. Okay. So in order for you to withdraw your tokens here, you need to complete all the tasks. You see where they say complete all tasks. When you click on it, to show you the tasks that you need to complete, the first one is follow on Telegram. You can see I've completed it. Follow on X, I've completed it as well. The next one is complete all sponsored missions. Complete all sponsored missions. And the last one is make turn transaction worth any amount. Just make a transaction. So I will go back now and show you how to complete all the sponsored missions. So let's go back. Okay guys, for you to see the sponsored missions, you have to click on storage. When you click on storage, you click on missions. Here you can see the available missions. These are the core ones. You can do them, but the focus is on the sponsored missions, which is this one that you are seeing sponsor. So you have to complete them. Under the Web3 option, you connect your Tonkeeper wallet or any Ton wallet. It might be used for your Ton transaction. So guys, let's proceed and complete these remaining ones. Okay. Remember, some of these tasks will lead you to launch a mining bot, and some of the bots might not be available to you. So if you notice any of the mining bots is not available in your location, that's your region, please on your VPN so you'll be able to access it. So just have to go back, and this one is completed now. This is the way you have to complete all the tasks. Remember, some of the tasks, after completing it, it will go back again and show that you have not completed it, or it will go back and start showing again. Okay, so you have to exercise patience, and once you are doing the task, just focus and complete all the tasks at once and do the turn transaction, and you have nothing to worry again. Like this task now, I've done them before. This might be the 6th time that I'm doing it. So we have completed the sponsor task. We have completed the sponsor task. So let's go back and check. can see it. So it's remaining the last one, which is make turn transaction worth of any value. So you need turn. You guys know how we do it. You need to have turn in your wallet. Let me go back. You click on this woman icon here, this logo that signifies profile in some apps. So you click on it. You see your Vertus wallet. You send small amount of turn to your Vertus wallet. So I'll copy it by clicking on this logo. I've copied the address. Then I'll open my Keeper wallet and send small amount of turn to this wallet. Okay guys, this is my Keeper. I'll click on turn, click on send. I'll paste the address I just copied, enter amount 0.2. Let me just send 0.2. You can send lesser. Remember, it's any amount. I'll confirm. This is a transaction. It's still processing on blockchain, but I have sent it. So let's see. I'll go back and check if it has deposited. I don't want to refresh this, because if I refresh it, all the tasks that I've completed might come back again. So let me see if it will reflect on its own. But I have sent the turn anyway. It should be here by now. Okay guys, let's just try completing a task that requires turn. Okay, so when you click on storage, you click on you can click on upgrade, but this one requires 0.5 ton and will send only 0.2. So for you to do this transaction here, you need 0.5 ton. So let's look for transaction that is lower than 0.5. Okay, there is another transaction here. When your storage is full and you want to collect it, they will show you an option to collect with ton and enjoy extra S5. But I've not reached the minimum for collection, so I can't use that one for now. So in your own case, you might be able to use it for the turn transaction. So let me check the daily checking. Daily checking. I think I've not done for today, so I can use turn and do it day one. Okay, let me claim S5. This one requires creating a transaction. Okay guys, the transaction is redirecting to my connected turn wallet. The wallet I connected under the Web3 wallet connect. So if you connect your Keeper wallet under the Web3 wallet connect, you don't necessarily need to deposit turn to your Vertus wallet on Telegram. It's not compulsory, but you can deposit for other purposes. Just have small amount of turn in your Keeper or my turn wallet that you connected to your Vertus mining bot, and you can use it to complete the transaction. That's to make turn transaction. So guys, I'll have to send. You can see the amount. I'll enter my password. The transaction is still pending. Okay guys, the transaction is completed. So let's check if this one confirms the make any turn transaction that we have there. Remember, the turn I sent to the wallet address is not the turn that we used eventually, but that one will reflect in this wallet. but the one we use is the Ton wallet that I connected. So let's know if that will solve the make any Ton transaction. Let me check. Okay, that is it. It's less than 0.1 Ton. So guys, with this now, you don't even need to deposit to your Vertus Ton wallet. You just need to have Ton in your connected wallet, any amount of Ton in your connected wallet, and it will be enough to perform this transaction. Okay, the next step is to withdraw your, that's to claim your token to exchange. Now let's see the available exchange. I'll click on exchanges. I'll select. Okay, you can see the available exchanges here: Bitget, Gate.io, Mexc, BingX. Among these four exchanges, the one I use frequently is Bitget. So I will select it. You have an Bitget account? Yes, I have. So I will collect my Bitget UID and depositing address. You know how we'll do it. Okay, so I'll go to my Bitget. This is my Bitget account. I'll click on this menu here, copy my UID, or minimize, enter my UID here. Then I'll minimize again, go back, go to assets. I'll select sports, I'll search for Vert. This Vertus here, I'll click on it. I'll click on these three dots at the bottom. I'll click on deposit. Then I'll copy the address here. Remember, this is a Ton address. You can simply copy your Ton address from Bitget, but I just want to go through this process so that most of you will not be confused. I'll go back, paste it. Okay, and this is it. If I click on send now, my Vertus token will be sent to my Bitget exchange. The exchange, not Bitget wallet, please. I'll click on send now. Okay, I have completed the process. My token will be sent to Bitget exchange, and that is it. Please, if you gain value from this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share this video to help others.